What if construction could be faster, cheaper, and more sustainable than ever before? Imagine a world where complex buildings and intricate designs come to life with the click of a button. Today's construction and architectural design industries face many challenges. Traditional methods are often time-consuming, costly, and have a significant environmental impact. Picture a building project that takes months or even years to complete, with heavy machinery, extensive labor, and a hefty price tag. Now envision the same project, but faster, more affordable, and eco-friendly. That's where three-dimensional printing technology steps in. 3D printing, a marvel of modern technology, offers a potential solution to these hurdles. It promises to redefine these industries by offering quicker construction times, reduced costs, and a more sustainable approach. This technology has the power to create everything from homes to bridges, all while maintaining quality and sustainability. The revolutionary technology of 3D printing is poised to transform the future of construction and architectural design, but how? Let's dive in and explore this fascinating world together. 3D printing, once a concept of science fiction, is now making its mark in the construction industry. Let's take a closer look at how this technology is reshaping the way we build and design. The world's first fully 3D printed residential building in Beckham, Germany is a prime example. Imagine a house not put together brick by brick but printed layer by layer. The residential building, spanning 400 square meters, was printed in just 5 days. This not only expedited the construction process but also significantly reduced the costs. But it's not just about houses. The technology is also making strides in infrastructure. The 3D printed bridge in Amsterdam, the Netherlands, serves as proof. This stainless steel pedestrian bridge, printed by robots, represents a landmark in engineering. It demonstrated how 3D printing technology can overcome complex architectural challenges, enabling the creation of structures that were once deemed impossible. The benefits of 3D printing extend far beyond speed and cost-effectiveness. Sustainability is another significant advantage. Traditional construction methods generate a substantial amount of waste. In contrast, 3D printing uses exactly the amount of material needed, minimizing waste. Moreover, 3D printing allows for the use of recycled materials, leading to a lower carbon footprint. This is particularly evident in the case of the 3D printed residential building in Germany, which used a bioconcrete made from recycled materials. From homes to bridges, 3D printing is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in construction and architectural design. It's enabling us to build faster, cheaper, and greener than ever before. It's giving architects and engineers the freedom to design and create as they've never been able to. However, like any technology, 3D printing in construction is not without its challenges. It's a new frontier, and there's still much to learn and improve. But the case studies we've discussed today show that the potential is enormous and the future looks promising. While these case studies show the promising potential of 3D printing, it's not without its challenges. Like any emerging technology, 3D printing in construction has its own set of hurdles to overcome. The road to a future where buildings are born from printers rather than built by hand is not without its bumps. One of the key challenges is the need for new regulations. As 3D printing reshapes the construction landscape, laws and codes that govern building practices have to keep pace. Think about it. How do you certify a 3D printed house for safety? There's a lot of bureaucratic red tape to cut through, and that takes time. Then there's the question of materials. Currently, 3D printing in construction largely depends on concrete. But concrete, while sturdy, isn't the most flexible or eco-friendly of materials. As we push the boundaries of what's possible, we need to explore new materials that can meet the demands of 3D printing while also aligning with our goals for sustainable construction. Let's not forget about the elephant in the room: cost. Right now, 3D printing technology comes with a hefty price tag. It's an investment, and one that many companies might be hesitant to make without the guarantee of a return. But here's the thing: every challenge presents an opportunity. And for 3D printing in construction and architectural design, the future is bright. Think of a world where regulations are adapted, allowing for innovative, safe, and efficient 3D printed structures. Where new materials are developed, bringing about a wave of green, sustainable construction. Where the cost of 3D printing technology drops, making it accessible to all. The potential benefits of this technology are immense. It could drastically reduce the time and resources needed for construction projects, opening the door to affordable, high-quality housing for everyone. It could transform our cities, with architectural designs previously thought impossible now within reach. As we continue to innovate and refine this technology, the question isn't if 3D printing will revolutionize construction and architectural design, but when.